So welcome again to this last lecture where we're going to quickly summarize what all have we done in this course, Master in Artificial Intelligence. So when we started, we had said the purpose of this course was single-mindedly to help you become a successful AI engineer. And what you would have learned by now is what is this AI, what are the career opportunities, what are the responsibility of AI engineer and how to deliver on these responsibilities in a lot of detail especially. And finally, how to become a successful AI engineer for yourself. And accordingly, this we have covered these things that in 13 sections, starting with introduction, overview, problem definition, data collection and pre-processing in a lot of detail, a lot of focus and detail in 23 lectures on algorithms, selection and development, which is the heart of this course. A very important thing about feature engineering in 6 lecture we have covered. We have talked to you deployment, monitoring and maintenance, collaboration and research and innovation in 4 sections. We have talked about an important thing about ethical considerations, and in the just before this lecture we have talked to you about what could be your roadmap to becoming AI engineer. What are the things that you need to know? And finally here we are summarizing. So how will this course benefit you? Obviously, my belief is that this course will help you become a successful AI engineer because it teaches you all that you need to know at a very strategic level, and that is what is most important. You can learn how to count nuts and bolts, but unless you know where to put the nuts and bolts and how many to put them, you can't really be successful. So this is what it teaches you. It is a very strategic course. So what is next? So go ahead and become a successful AI engineer. Get on with this journey, and anytime, any help you need from me in understanding any of the concepts in this course or anything else in life, do get in touch with me. And we have some interesting courses that you can take a look at, like thinking and problem solving, 2 courses on that, which I would leave a link in this course itself. So please go ahead and take a look at, enjoy, and do become a successful AI engineer. So thank you so much for watching this whole course and the summary of this lecture. I hope you have enjoyed this course. You have learned a lot of new things, and you would continue to your journey to for becoming an AI engineer. Do feel free to message me, communicate to me for any help needed anytime, even after doing this course. I'll be happy to help you in any possible way, and stay connected.